Hey guys, Tashi Delek everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today recipe I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite sweet dessert recipe, which is pudding. And this recipe is not new, it's everyone can make it and it's very easy. And last time I upload in Instagram and asked to my friends, Instagram friends, and they said they need recipe, so I just bring today for all of you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy how I make my pudding recipe. And it's perfect for summertime also, so let's get started how to make this recipe. Okay guys, so first we're going to start with caramel. So caramel making ingredient is very simple. Here I take 2 cups sugar, white sugar, and here I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons water. So I already add the water, and now we're going to just mix it this. Now this we're going to need to melt this. Let them melt the all sugar first in high heat. The making caramel is very simple guys, so only you have to stay in kitchen, otherwise it will be burned. So you have to just stay and watch. Once the sugar is melt, now this time we need to just reduce the heat and just cook in medium low flame until it will not become like a light golden brown color. So this is the caramel. Can you see? It's not so dark color. If too much dark, the bitter taste will come, so that is not tasty. So this is the perfect we need. Apply some oil. The oil will be not strong smell one. Okay, it's done. Now it's time to fill up the caramel. Just around 2 tablespoons you have to add, and let them set down this. Okay, next ingredient we need milk. So you can use any brand, here I'm using this. And next we're going to add sugar, 2 tablespoons. One this, it means 2 tablespoons. Now we're going to boil this. Only we need to melt the sugar, we don't need to boil this. Prepare the egg. So here I'm using 4 eggs. One thing you have to remember, when you just mix the egg, you have to do just generally, otherwise it will create many bubbles, so we don't want that, so it will make many holes in your pudding. Okay, now top on this I'm gonna add hot milk. And for the flavor, here I'm using half teaspoon of vanilla flavor. You can use any flavor, it's okay. Now again, one time you have to mix gently. Now you have to stand this. It's not moving. So this is the perfect time to fill up the pudding. In case there's any bubble, you have to take out this. Now top on this, so I'm gonna just cover with silver foil. Now take any container on the bottom, so I'm just add some kitchen towel. Just place for kitchen towel because it will not move. This is and you kind of keep. Okay, now this time we have to add hot water. Just cover the bottom side. Just only half we have to cover. Make sure to not add too much water, otherwise it will become upside. Now we're going to bake in oven for this. For 45 minutes, and here 200 degree I'm gonna cook. Okay, so this is for just cook in without oven. In case if you don't have oven, just follow the same step. Repeat the same process. Take any kitchen cloth and just put here and just fill up the water, the half cover. Now you have to cook in low flame for 30 minutes. So first I'm going to leave it in 30 minutes, so let's see how long it will take. Now let's see our after 35 minutes gone. Oh, I think it's cooked. Yeah, it's not stick here, then it will cook back, guys. Now I'm gonna turn up the heat. Take out this. Now let them cool down this. After that we're going to put in the fridge. Oh my gosh, so it was stick in here. So sad. Okay guys, so this is my after 4 hours later. I just kept in fridge for so now as I will show you the final result. It's already cooled down. Now cover the plate and do just up and down. Check this one time. And here is the result. Dun, dun, dun. Wow. Wow. It looks so thick. Oh my gosh, look at this. How it looks. It's so. The shape is little not properly come out, but see. But it looks so perfectly. See, can you see? Oh my gosh, look at this. Without oven is this, and let me show you in the oven. The oven one is here. Ooh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, look at guys, wow. Just guys. Just guys, open your mouth. I will pass you. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious. When you add this, to top on this, add some sauce, caramel, and after that you can enjoy. Oh my gosh, this is so delicious, guys. Okay guys, so I really enjoy. You can see how quickly it's finished actually. It's not so small actually. See, it's quite big actually. It's quickly finished and you can see how much I love it. Okay guys, so I really enjoy myself and you too enjoy. Please try this. I will kindly recommend you to try this because it's so good. It's so good. I don't know how to explain actually. It's so smooth and it's so fluffy when you put in your mouth. Oh my god, it's so I don't know how to explain actually, but try this, you're gonna be love it. And it's so simple to make actually. If you don't have time, just prepare it on night time, just put in first, or you can just do it only just it will take 45 minutes. Yeah, for cooking 45 minutes, 35 minutes, that's it. And okay guys, so that's it for today's recipe. So if you like today's recipe, please give it a thumbs up and bring to more recipe guys. Please share with your friends and family and all time enjoy my recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video and we'll see you on next video. Bye bye. And one more thing guys, please don't forget to check out my new channel. New recipe. I always used to say new recipe, a new channel. And please support me and my new channel also. Every Friday I upload new vlog. And bye bye. Thank you so much.